been a minute. It's been a long minute, but listen, I'm back. Look, I'm just so bad at this now. I don't even remember how to do a dang on intro. What's up, y'all? It's RHAJA RHAJA, and I'm back with another video. How to install a wig over them locks, girl. And we're not gonna call them dreads, okay? Because we don't dread them. We don't dread them. We're happy about them. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all everything that I use, show y'all my little steps, step by step, until I get to this. If y'all wanna see how I put this wig over my locks, keep watching. Alright, so I use Got to Be for the spray. This Even Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray. Mousse for the edges. You're gonna need a wig and a little tie for my edges. Brush thing. Curlers. Wig brush. And a wig cap, which is what I have on. Okay. So I'll take this off so y'all can see. It needs to be re-braided, but mommy braided them down for me. And the last time she did it, she had sewed it down, but this time she didn't have much time. But I did just get out the shower, but just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my hairline with some alcohol. Cause I want that thing to stick, you know? I want the junk to be down. You still have some oils and stuff around this area. Oh, that's not strong. It depends on how many you want to do. But I went ahead and did 4. Because whatever you do, just make sure you don't have one in the middle, because then that's going to make it like, you know, bulky-ish. So I probably should have tried to sew them down for this video. But go ahead and use this. I'm not gonna lie, I usually don't do all this, but for the sake of showing y'all, I am. And this is just so you can have all your hairs laid down when you put this cap on. And I actually think I'm gonna put some more makeup on here. Pull it back about right there. Okay, so I usually use my Ruby Kisses powder contour palette, but I like that Detroit, so I'm gonna use this Sephora micro smooth. I feel like it's like the perfect color for real. I ain't gonna lie, it probably would look better if I did the ball cap method, because I got these sides right here and my wig is blonde. But yeah, and this wig was made by me, by the way. Color and everything. Shop the Rare Experience, Rare Bundles, and I'll get you together. Actually, I'm about to spray it some more so this can stay in place, because it'll be liking to slide back for whatever reason. And I don't like that. It's what I usually do next, is I fold the lace back. Put it on. I usually do all of this before I even like style the hair. just so like my edges and stuff can be melting and setting while I'm doing the rest of the stuff. So y'all see how this is flipped back? And it's right like where it's supposed to come down at. So spray, ooh. Alright, just go ahead and rub that in. And it's starting to get tacky over here already. But I do like 2 layers. Okay. So now you just flip it down basically and then you place it. And it melts right on actually. So I do one side first and then I come in and do the other side. And the sideburns are like really important, I guess, to me. So I like to make sure that bad boys is down. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't like to keep my laces on for that much. Like, okay, so with this spray, it kind of like lasts all day. Maybe a little over a day depending on what you do. But this one, I had my wig on for about 4 days. And that's good enough for me. I know I look crazy right now, but just stay with me. Stay with me. So after I have it on, I like to pull it up so that when I go to tie this thing on for my edges, my hair don't be in the way. Okay. So if you like use glue, you can just go ahead and put this like right on your hairline. And I do sometimes, but it seems like sometimes it kind of like slides. So shake your mousse up. I made this wig like 2 years ago. I made it 2 years ago. I was supposed to sell it, but then I got pregnant and then moved, and then it was just a whole lot going on. I think I got 2 more. I got 2 more that I haven't worn that I made. And then 3 that I had worn. I can't find my other one. Okay, so go ahead and put it up on there. And that kind of brush was not going in my baby hair's back. Okay. Look at this going. So brush that back with the mousse and then go ahead and create your baby hairs. I like doing it with the mousse because like you can comb it out if you want to, and then they don't look so hard. And that is really that for the installation part. If y'all want a video on how I do my curls, comment down below, let me know. So I guess I'll be back after I curl my hair and probably after I do my makeup. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. Yes, and now we're a better bitch. Ooh, I'm supposed to say that. The natural locks is cool and all, you know, but when you put that wig on, it's just, you know, you a little bit better. That's all. You just be feeling a little bit better. Sometimes we need to switch it up, and people be thinking we can't switch it up because we got these locks. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, because we can. Yes, ma'am. Yes, y'all, so this is what it looks like after I did my makeup and took, you know, that little scarf thing off. I'm gonna have to recurl this piece because it's kind of irritating me. It keep like, you know.
Why do it keep doing that? Like, it's going this way. Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like, whoop. Like, no, go do. What the fuck?
If y'all like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to your girl. Listen, I'm really gonna try to be consistent because I don't know, like life just be getting to me, and then I just be want to take breaks from social media. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you see that my Instagram's gone. Like, right now I'm doing a spiritual detox, as I call it. Like, I just need some time. Just give me some time. I'll be back, but I'm just so bad at being consistent in social media and all that. Like, I fell off really hard, like really hard, but I'm gonna try to do it to the best of my ability. But I just know I can't be like, I'm not gonna say can't, but right now I'm choosing not to be so active on there. I want to focus on my own life. I don't want to be worried about, you know, other people seeing my every move and, you know, me seeing everybody else's moves, because their moves is not affecting mine. But yeah, like I said, this wig was made by me, so go ahead and follow Rare Experience on Instagram. And if you want a wig, let me know. I colored it and everything too. Hit your girl if you want a custom wig, period. But alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching and tuning in, because y'all really be bearing with me if y'all, you know, still hear from the Fashion Nova throwback, because that's really where I got most of y'all from. But I got some stuff coming. Don't even worry about it. Just keep your eyes open. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.